Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to use Dell SupportAssist to keep your system software up to date, whether you are optimizing your Dell PC or troubleshooting issues. SupportAssist makes it simple to check and install updates. So let's dive in. Dell SupportAssist is a free tool pre-installed on most Dell computers. It proactively monitors your system, check for software and driver updates, and help maintain its peak performance. From BIOS to critical drivers, SupportAssist ensures your PC stays current and secure. If it's not already on your device, you can download it from Dell's official website. So let's get started with the steps to check and update your software using SupportAssist. Follow along with me. In step 1, we will launch SupportAssist. To do that, first locate your SupportAssist on your desktop or search for it in the Windows Start menu. Click to open the application. You will see a clean dashboard with options like update softwares or boot performance. In step 2, we will try and check for the updates. To do that, select check for updates and then click on start button. SupportAssist will now scan your systems for outdated drivers, BIOS and other software. This can take some time, so be patient. Once the scan is complete, you will see a list of available updates marked as critical or recommended. Review the list and select the updates you want to install. Critical updates like security patches are a must. Click install to begin. SupportAssist will download and apply the updates automatically. Make sure your PC is plugged in and connected to the internet to avoid interruptions. Once the updates are installed, SupportAssist will confirm completion. Restart your PC if prompted to ensure all changes takes the final effect. And that's it. Your system is now up to date. To keep your Dell PC running smoothly, here are some few tips. Run SupportAssist weekly or at least once a month to catch new updates. Enable automatic scans in the settings for hands-free maintenance from the settings under Scan Optimization. And always back up important files before updating just in case. With these habits, your system will stay optimized and secure. And that's all for today's guide on using Dell SupportAssist. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Have questions about SupportAssist? Drop them in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.